Good afternoon, traders. Mark from Trading Market Technicals, bringing you the weekly Beast Automated Trading System newsletter. And what a week it was. First week of the new year was fantastic. That is in the record books. We've had a fantastic week and actually a great Friday to end a great week. So I hope everybody is doing well and capitalizing on these gains that we're having. Now, as you know, these weekly newsletters are geared to just kind of set you up for the following week, and we are going to put out many videos and educational videos as well. We want to make sure that you know that we are here to support you. Any kind of questions, whether it be a technical question with the system, an update issue, anything to do with the Beast Automated Trading System, Trading Market Technicals will be there for you. So please feel free to give us a call or an email. Okay. Now let's go talk about volatility real quick. As you can see, at this vertical line here, 8 trading days, we've had an increase in volatility. Now we have changed the parameters, and they will still stay intact. And I do feel, as a market technician for 28 years and trader, I do think that we're going to have a big pickup in volatility, a spike in volatility, and I think it's going to take this little area out, which means that if the volatility increases, we will be monitoring the system settings for you and send out an email immediately if we need to make a change. Why? Because we want to be able to capitalize on these gains as well. So if your candles are increasing and your stops are going to be increasing, well, therefore, you're going to need to increase your profit taking, right? We want to keep that in balance, in check. All right, so you can see here, nice little move up in volatility, and this is I try to keep it really clean just to go over the charts. But you can see we've had a higher low, and now we have a lower high from this previous low. So we need to really see what's going to happen on Monday and Tuesday. This does not look good. This major reversal we had, and partly calling for that crude oil getting wrecked again on Friday. Weak earnings when we had the non-farm payroll numbers come out, and of course the terrorist attack in France just put a little bit of fear into the normal investor, and that's what happened here, and the markets actually rolled over again. And you can see here we have a nice clean bear flag, and this is something that I'm going to watch if this flag breaks. Now you can see the flag pole, and here's the flag bearish pattern, a lower high from this previous high. This is actually in play if it takes out Friday's low on a closing basis. If we take out the Friday's low, let's call it 20, 30, 25, and we close below this, then I think all bets are off. I think you're going to see this low here happen rather quickly. And then, of course, would be that 200-day moving average. But again, just for this video, I have everything nice and clean so everybody can view this thing at ease. All right, so keep an eye on Friday's low. I do think we're going to get some volatility continuing to increase, which is going to be great for the system. Okay, couple things I just want to point out from. Let's go over the performance, the optimization for next week's indices. We're going to start off with number 1 would be the NQ, number 2 would be the YM, number 3 would be the ES, and number 4 would be the TF. Now, for those of you who cannot do all 4 at the same time, please pick the first 2, or if you can't, you could use the first one, would be obviously the NQ. If you could do 2, I would do the NQ and YM. And if you could do all 4, I do all 4. Me, personally, I just want to just quick note, the TF has been very, very whippy, and because it's been in a trading range. So if you feel that you're not getting the performance out of the TF, please feel free to shut that or disable that strategy for the TF. It's not a problem at all. But the first 3 in order of preference: NQ, YM, ES, and then TF. Okay, so let's just keep that going into next week, and let's have again another major market movement, which would give us another profitable week. And that's what I'm looking for, guys. So, and remember one thing, just a quick little note: please let the system do its job. Don't be touching the system. If you take a drawdown, the first 1 or 2 trades, leave it on and let the system get an opportunity to make that money back. That is critical for performance in your trading account. Remember that. It's very, very important. Do not touch the system. Let it work for you. Okay, if you feel it's a little whippy around lunchtime, you're absolutely welcome to shut it off. Okay, it's in the manual, and I review the manual again just so you guys can get a little bit of little recognizing of the system and understanding how it works. Getting familiarized with the settings. That's why I say get to the manual. It's actually very good. And again, guys, if you ever need anything or something to discuss with the system, please feel free to email us or contact us at any time. Okay? Have a great weekend, and let's have another profitable week. Take care, everybody.